Take command of the road in the 2015 Ram 2500. This four-door, five-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include front fog lights, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, front dual-zone air conditioning, skid plates, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and one-touch window functionality. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.